Quick dry erase board Geo-Bit today. It's based on a question someone asked me because they know I studied the Precambrian. These are millions of years ago. So 4,540 million years ago is 4.54 billion. Okay, now that's out of the way. MA. All right, so I gotta do this quick. The Precambrian is what I study, but I don't study the whole thing. Most people, almost everybody who studies any aspect of geology, studies something from 541 to 0 million years ago. That's your Phanerozoic. All right, this is an eon, the Phanerozoic. The beginning of this is also the beginning of the Paleozoic era and the Cambrian period. That's all when all life started to diversify. So it's a very interesting part to most people. I study this stuff right here. This is what we informally call the Precambrian, and it is a huge chunk of Earth's history and is the least understood. It is 88.1% of Earth's entire history. Now, it is subdivided as well. We don't really use this term anymore. It's a generic, informal term to say pre-Phanerozoic or before the Cambrian. All right, so we just don't use it that much anymore. You have the Hadean, you have which is from this to 4 billion years ago. You have the Archean, and I study some of these. And the Archean ends at 2.5 billion years ago. And the rest of this whole thing, is the Proterozoic. And this is a huge amount of time. It's nearly 2 billion years, as you can see. And this is subdivided as well. These are eons, like this is. And now you have your eras. You have your Paleo, you have your Meso, Proterozoic, Paleoproterozoic, and your Neoproterozoic. So that's a quick breakdown of the geologic timescale. I hope that gives you some sense of how big these things are. And my main area of study, the rocks I mostly study, are somewhere in here. All right, that's the stuff I'm concerned with. And we have no rocks pre 4 billion years ago. All right, cutting this off. Quick interjection, when I say we have no rocks older than 4 billion years, I mean actual physical continental crust. There's been suggestions of things, but it's never been confirmed. So I just need to add that disclaimer there because I know someone's going to say something about it.